Hi, welcome to this video. You can use the check-in feature in the basically Messages app on an iPhone running iOS 17 or later to automatically notify a trusted contact when you safely arrive at a destination or after a set timer. Now, open the Messages app on your iPhone, right? And choose a conversation with your contact. Tap the plus button to the left of the text box, right? Scroll down to find check-in right here. And you can tap more if you do not see it right away. Now, you can tap edit to customize your safety alert. Select when I arrive if you are traveling to a specific address. Select after a timer if you want to set a specific time limit. Choose your mode of transport, right? Like driving, transit, or walking, and then tap send. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.